Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers.
And these are mine.
Today, Mama's gonna show us how to make Grandma's famous eggplant salad. I mean, we went crazy for this recipe when we were kids.
They used to hide them on us.
Well, this is great, like for the Antipasto, you know, with the salami, prosciutto, and stuff like that, cured meats, and also on the salads. It's great on an Italian salad. Anyway, come on, Mama, let's show us how to cook this. All right, Mama's gonna show Dominic how to make our grandma's famous eggplant salad or marinated eggplant. Right, Mama?
Very good.
That's right.
Good dish.
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
To all the mothers out there.
Thank you.
Forget the fathers.
Now, what do we got here for our ingredients?
All right, we have eggplant, celery, hot Italian peppers, garlic, olives, and we're going to use white vinegar and olive oil and oregano and some salt.
All right.
And we're going to get started here.
All right.
Let's cut the eggplant up last because it'll turn brown.
Okay.
Want all this garlic in there or what?
Now 3 things of
All I'm going to put all
No
of this
leaves.
in there, right? No leaves?
No,
Okay.
just the
Oh.
mix it with the other stuff.
All right, first we're gonna start off with some
All right, we're
garlic.
gonna chop up, cut up some garlic here.
Is that how you want it sliced, Ma?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. All right. So this was Grandma's recipe, huh?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
All right, and just 3 celery, you said?
Yeah.
3 stalks of celery. Yeah, growing up, we used to go crazy for this eggplant salad, man. I tell you.
I had to hide the jaws.
Yeah, I know. She had to hide them. No kidding. I mean, she couldn't make it fast enough.
The kids even made it.
We knew where they were. They were in the basement
Yeah.
behind the cellar door.
This was Uncle Angelo, your brother's favorite, huh, Mom?
Oh, yes. Everyone in the family has it. There's not one person in the family that don't eat that.
Oh, I know. They're gonna appreciate this video, you know. They're gonna start making it.
Thanks to Grandma.
Yeah.
She knew what to do.
Yeah.
And I want to give a shout out to my cousin Angela
All right.
in Florida, but she's a Brooklyn girl. I spoke to her this morning, and she found out that we were doing eggplant, so hey, Angela.
All right.
You know, a little bit at a time. You scoop them out. Have it hot.
Okay. How's that celery? How's it look?
What do you mean, how's it look?
Yes, it's good.
Celery.
Gotta make sure you're cutting it right. Oh,
You
we have
need a
to.
bowl for each cutting.
Oh, okay.
Makes it easy.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna cut up our peppers now.
Watch your eyes, those are hot. Take the seeds out.
Huh?
Take the seeds out in that sense.
I took the seeds out. If you want to, you can leave them in there. They'll be extra hot. Anyway, the peppers, even if they were hot, they lose its strength
Yeah.
in the marinade.
That's right. It
So,
doesn't matter. But
All right.
I gotta put that in a small bowl. We need bowls for
I got the bowl right there on the
Small
stove.
glass
It's
one?
right there on the stove.
Huh?
It's right there on the
I got it
stove.
right here.
Oh, okay.
Cut up. I can't even hold them. How am I supposed to cut them?
Yeah, you can buy the sliced olives. I wasn't thinking.
I don't know.
All right, Mom, what's next?
Okay, now you need to peel the eggplant.
Oh, it looks cute.
This is a
What is it?
tribute to the Kentucky Derby.
Are you crazy?
All right, what do you want to do? Put this all in the bowl or no? Not yet.
What we gotta do, Mom, next? We gotta get the
Eggplant.
eggplant next?
Eggplant.
All right, we're going to cut up our eggplant.
All right.
Just peel it all first.
Huh?
Peel it first.
All right. Oh, by the way, the olives that we just cut up were the ones that have the pimentos in it, right? You gotta have the
Yes.
ones with the pimentos, right? All right. All right, we're ready to cut up an eggplant.
The long way?
No. Cut that. Wait a minute. Can I just do one?
Yeah.
Yes, Mother.
Cut this in half.
Okay.
Okay. And then you go this way.
Okay.
Oh, it's not too thick. And get
How
that-
did Grandma used to cut? Oh, you're going to do them julienne sliced?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Instead of dicing them?
Right. Okay. There you go.
That's it.
Just like that.
You go. Now get the thing
But the pot of water?
there. Yeah, that. You go half and half.
Okay.
Half water, half vinegar.
Okay.
White vinegar.
Okay, Mom.
That is.
So it's 50, it's 50%, 50, 50.
50-50. Okay, we'll go ahead and get that started up.
That one with that thing that you strain the macaroni. See? Pop it, pop it. See, cool?
Yeah.
Then you gotta go
See what?
through here.
I like them like this anyway.
Yeah.
Very good. There isn't any seeds in here.
Yeah, some good
small
No,
eggplant.
it's look.
The smaller eggplants usually have less seeds in them. You want to get the smaller ones.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll be too bitter. Easy.
Yeah, I mean, it's not very hard. It's just a lot of
Done
stuff.
it.
It depends on how much you want to make, too, you know?
Wait, we're doing this recipe. We're gonna do this recipe for my uncle today. Tribute to my Uncle Angelo.
Yes, definitely.
Yes,
This was his favorite.
that was his favorite.
We're gonna put half and half. Let's say 4 cups of vinegar and 4 cups of water.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. Now put the water so I can see.
All right, Woody, that's enough for water, right?
Half and half.
Yeah, that's good.
Now we gotta bring that to a boil?
Now, yes.
Is that the right one I got?
Not too boil, as long as it's very hot.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll be back. All right, Mom, how's that water coming along?
I turn it off.
You turned it off? Okay, you just want to get it hot. You don't want it to
It's
boil.
not that. Yeah, it's not boiling.
Okay, so now you're just gonna put that all in there?
Yes,
Very good, Mother.
not all. A little bit at a time.
Oh, okay.
Get me something I can put this bowl on. This on top of a bowl or something.
Sorry, Mother. Looks good. Oh, you want to put that in a bowl?
Okay, now I have to put this
You can
in.
put it in that bowl right there.
Push it over, please.
Okay. How's that? Oh, so it's like probably like more like 20 seconds.
Yeah, because you don't want to cook the.
Right. Very nice.
Okay.
All right, what's next? Well,
What you do is celery.
put that in the water?
Yeah, well, this is why I said it's separate, so it's easy to get out.
Oh, I gotcha.
See, get this a little vinegary.
Yeah,
I'll take that to the bowl.
that little bowl right there.
That's it.
Okay. I need a bowl for underneath here, Paul.
Okay.
Because what we're going to do now is
Squeeze it.
squeeze that out.
The water out.
The water.
Okay, let me get you a bowl.
There's not that much moisture in there. I need something else too.
What's next? All right.
Eggplant in there.
Uh-huh.
I want a little salt.
A little salt? Okay.
My hands are all
Here's a spoon right here. How much salt do you want in it? Not that much?
It's not the salt or the sugar.
That's salt.
You better check it out.
It's salt, I promise. It's salt?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
Okay. How is it, Chef?
You talking to me?
Both of you.
It looks good.
Okay. Put the celery in.
Okay. Olives.
Olives.
Garlic.
Yeah.
How much garlic?
Can you chop it up a little more?
She just said to slice it up.
Chop it up.
I remember seeing big pieces in grandma's.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to put some of that garlic in the jars.
On top?
In the jars on the bottom of the jars. Whatever. Let's see first. Let's get rid of this oil.
Do you want more garlic in there now, or you want to? Because that's not all of it.
No, leave it there. We'll put it in the jars.
Yeah, put it.
Peppers.
I need oregano.
Put the peppers in there.
Yeah.
Oregano.
It's the whole flavor. Leave it with the garlic because I could put it in jars too.
Uh-huh.
Oil.
Oil. We don't use extra virgin. We have to use the regular olive oil, right, Mom?
Yeah.
This one. Oh,
Bertolli.
how much you want in it?
Just pour. I need a spoon to mix it now. Wait, let's see. Excuse me. Put a little more garlic in there.
Needs more salt.
Some more garlic.
We'll save the rest for the bottom of the jar or the top, whatever.
Yeah, we gotta put some oil on the bottom of the jar before we start.
Okay.
Taste it now and see if it needs more. Or we taste too.
Okay. Good test.
It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's got enough.
Got the vinegar in it.
Okay.
Some salt. We're good to go.
Okay.
Now what? Put them in the jars.
Okay. Give me a jar.
Put a little oil on the bottom there.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Give me that. Okay. Give me that.
Oregano.
Oregano. They put a little oregano in the jar too. Wow. Is that like the secret or what?
That's what gives the flavor.
Okay.
Put that there. Yeah, more oil. Okay. What spoon did you give me?
Here.
Oh. Let's get this out of here. We don't need this anymore.
They're filling them all up now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oregano on top, mother.
Yeah.
It's these little touches that really make the difference, I'm pretty sure. This is excellent. Excellent eggplant salad right here. My favorite is on a sandwich. That is my absolute favorite. Grab some salami, prosciutto, capicola, and add this on there. Oh, we got a sandwich.
All right. Now fill it up with oil.
Yeah, not, just, okay, that's it.
It's all gonna
Yeah,
sink down.
because because during the week, Paul, you have to check it. If you need more
Well, let it
oil.
sink down now, and then
Yeah.
see, this one's already going down. So was that one. Just let it sit like that
I
for.
wanted you guys to change the taste this.
Okay, we can taste it. Taste it, Bill. Oh, that looks great. Look at that.
I want you to taste it.
Okay, I'll taste it. All right, so we got garlic in there. We got some more oregano. And this is gonna stay and marinate in the refrigerator for about a week. Obviously, we're not gonna be able to do a real taste test on this because it's not ready, so stay tuned for
And
the
that's
next
it?
video.
Next week we'll make sandwiches.
Oh, it looks great. Looks great. It looks very good, Mother. Fantastic job.
The only thing next time is make it for yourselves. Make the eggplant a little thinner.
Okay, so we gotta make it a little thinner. Got that, folks?
Yeah.
All right.
When you cut the eggplant.
Nice. All right.
Okay.
We'll see you guys next time. Mom, thank you for the recipe.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mom.
All right.
Angela, come get your jar.
All right, guys. We'll do a taste test on this on a future video. Take care. Thanks for watching.